Hello, my name is Andrew Parkin, and I'm your student's teacher for American Government and Civics this year for Fall 2021. So this fall, we'll be studying American Government and Civics, and then in the spring, we'll actually be switching to a new course, which will be World Geography. So I am a social studies teacher here at Lakeside. This is my 4th year at Lakeside High School, and in addition to teaching civics, I also teach world geography and U.S. history. This is my 6th year as a social studies teacher in total. And in addition to being a teacher, I'm also the baseball coach for the junior varsity and a co-sponsor for the FCA club. For all of our online assignments, we can take a look at Google Classroom. So all of our online assignments will be there. So if you go to classroom.google.com, you and your student can find any assignments that they need. If you also want to be connected to Google Classroom, your student can also show you how to do that as well. Grades are really important to keep track of. And so Infinite Campus is the way that we keep track of grades here. So if you haven't signed up for Infinite Campus in order to be able to follow your students' grades, go ahead and go to the link there, which is campus.decab.k12.ga.us. So Infinite Campus is a great tool so that you can keep track of how your student is doing in all of their classes. Now in Civics, there are a few different units that we're going to go over this semester. So in our first unit, we've started with the foundations of government. For our next unit, unit number 2, we'll go over to looking at the legislative branch, or the part of government that makes the laws. Our third unit is the executive branch, or those that enforce the laws. Our fourth unit is the judicial branch, or those that carry out the laws, or rather interpret the laws. And finally, state and local governments is our 5th branch. So state and local governments will be our last unit of the semester. So every day there's a few things that students should have. They should have a Chromebook, a notebook, and obviously a pen or pencil to be able to write with. Students should be on time every day, and they should be respectful of themselves first and foremost, the other students, and me as well. If a student needs tutoring or help with a class, that'll be available every Thursday. We have a period called SAIL, which is our homeroom period. So the student would just need to organize that time with me and their homeroom teacher, and they can come in to ask any questions they need. They can make up a quiz or any sort of assessment that they need to do. Tutoring is also available by appointment, and that can either be before school or after school. And if a student does want to set up tutoring, they can either talk to me in class or send me an email to my email address there, which is andrew_parkin@decabschoolsga.org. Like I said, my email address is andrew_parkin@decabschoolsga.org. It's there on the screen. Or you could also reach me at my Google Voice number for parents, which is 678-249-9516. So please feel free to email me, to give me a call, or send me a text message, and I usually can respond within 24 hours, but please allow up to 48 hours for me to respond before you follow up. Thank you so much for your time, and please reach out to me with any questions, comments, or concerns you have. Again, my email is there on the screen, and my Google Voice number is 678-249-9516. Thank you again, and have a great day.